Okay, in this lesson, I will program the Python terminal. This post is a simple chat post. For example, some of you will answer. Here's the name for the computer. Then I will ask. The computer will greet me, and it will ask questions. What do you need? I'll continue importing. Okay, that's it. It's that simple. Let's get started. Then in the main menu. Here at home, you can create folders. Here it has a number of buttons. For example, this button is the button to turn on the interface. Usually, I will leave it black. Then this button is the new folder button. So you can create folders to group your work, for example. I can create my own name here. There. Let me save my articles. Here, in the beginning, I just go to the folder and create a new file. Here is my main article. New files. That, for example, this article is number 1. Post is chat. Okay. Then you guys create. For this simple chat, I will use mode. Blockly Ha and flowchart. I switched from Blockly mode to flowchart mode. The button is here. There is a button here already. Then me. We will use this command, this start place we can start working Ha. What? Okay, you guys can lay out this beautifully. Just pull it back to make it look nice. Then, next is the second line. So here I can drag this down. Here or duplicate. Here you can choose duplicate, right-click on it. Duplicate and edit content. Already, connect to Ha. Double-click, and here I can delete and keep the quotes. Customer name. Already. So 2 questions, here are 2 output sentences. And the user input is called input Ha, input. So the user enters, you get the process here. I will enter it as input. So the input only needs to be input like this. And users can enter now. That means chat software. If you imagine chat software, it needs a window for you to enter. So this is the input sentence. For example, only now can I log in. Here, for example, long, yes, for example. And to keep this value that the user entered. Then new people. Give this. Keeping the value is what people call assigning Ha. Assign this value a name to keep. Then people use the equal sign. The first tense, the first statement is the command. For example, xha. Then name it x. X, A, B, or X whatever. Or you can write it out clearly. Write clearly, for example, if you want a username, then this is the name. Then it is fine. And now the computer will respond based on this name, the name you entered. It just came up with a greeting. The computer just came out. Content ha, nice to meet you. And now I can't put this name in here. I have to leave it out and separated by commas. I'll leave it outside. This is what people call it. Use a variable, use this, the name is the variable, define the variable. The one below I will use its value, it does not print the name but it prints the value of the name. I use it to run. For example, if you enter something, it will output the value you entered, for example, check. Okay. Then, it continued another sentence. So you can do the following part, you can do the exercise below. Please continue reading in the first part, you can now do the exercises. Okay. So I will review the entire code here, it only has a few parts. As for the next part, you guys can do it yourself.